Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Here in this video, we'll discuss how to fix NVIDIA Broadcast not installing on Windows 11. So with that being said, let's get started. If you try to install NVIDIA Broadcast tool, if you are getting NVIDIA installer cannot continue, then this is due to NVIDIA display driver is missing on a system. To fix it, you have to install the latest NVIDIA display driver. To install it, simply open any browser and visit nvidia.com/download. Don't worry about the download link. I'll provide the download link in the description box. So this is the official website from where you can download NVIDIA driver. Now here you have to select your GPU and Windows operating system. I'm using RTX 30 series, RTX 3060. Select the operating system, then click on search. After that, you will get your driver. Simply click on download and wait for the download process to complete. While it's downloading, let me tell you, to use NVIDIA Broadcast, you have to have RTX GPU. If you're using NVIDIA GTX GPU, then you cannot install NVIDIA Broadcast. For that, you can install NVIDIA RTX Voice. It is the same tool for NVIDIA GTX GPU. So we already have a video on how you can install NVIDIA RTX Voice. So I'll provide the video link in the I button, or you will get the video in the description box. Once you have downloaded the graphics driver, simply open the installer file. So here we have the installer window. Let me minimize the browser. Click on OK. Now you will get the NVIDIA graphics card installer window. Here simply select NVIDIA graphics driver and GeForce Experience. Then click on Agree and Continue. Now select the installation type as Express. Then click on Next and wait for the installation process to complete. After that, simply click on Close and simply restart your system. For that, click on Window icon, click on Power icon and click on Restart. Once you have restarted your system, you can simply install NVIDIA Broadcast on Windows 11 without an issue. So that's it. This is how you can fix NVIDIA Broadcast not installing on Windows 11. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.